Due to their rugged minimum maintenance design, Gorman-Rupp rotary gear pumps typically require little service. However, if your pump should require service, this demonstration will assist the technician in the proper procedures for replacement of the wearing parts. We're using a heavy-duty GHS series pump for the purpose of this demonstration. Remember to always follow safe, established maintenance procedures when servicing the pump. Make sure that all procedures are performed only after establishing that neither personal safety nor pump integrity are compromised by such practices. You can disassemble and assemble the rotary gear pump with normal hand tools. You can also purchase special tools designed to make the job easier. In this presentation, the front is the head end of the pump, and the rear is the drive or backhead end of the pump. If the pump is equipped with a pressure relief valve, it can be mounted on either the head or the housing. Some models may be equipped with one of each. Removal is the same for either design. The pump used in this demonstration is equipped with a head-mounted pressure relief valve. Before removing the pressure relief valve, take note as to the direction in which the relief valve is mounted. The pressure relief valve must be reinstalled with the adjusting end toward the suction port. Operation of the pump with an improperly installed relief valve could result in serious damage to the pump or injury to personnel. To remove the pressure relief valve, remove the cap screws securing the relief valve to the pump. The O-rings may remain in the head or in the housing. Remove and discard the O-rings. Before attempting to remove the bearing lock nut, loosen the socket head set screws securing the rotor adjusting sleeve and use a pipe wrench or other suitable tool to turn the rotor adjusting sleeve clockwise, as viewed from the drive end, until the rotor binds against the head. This will prevent the rotor from turning as the lock nut is unscrewed. Straighten the tab on the bearing lock washer and use a hammer and drift pin to loosen the bearing lock nut until it can be unscrewed from the shaft. A special lock nut removal tool is available for purchase from Gorman-Rupp. After removing the bearing lock nut, remove the bearing lock washer. Unscrew the rotor adjusting sleeve from the backhead. Disengage the hardware and remove the bearing retaining cap from the rotor adjusting sleeve. Models vary in design. Consult the manual for the proper procedure for your specific pump. Remember, when removing or installing the bearing, never hit or press against the inner race. Press only against the outer race. The bearing is a light press fit into the rotor adjusting sleeve and can usually be removed with thumb pressure only. If the bearing does not come out easily, use a suitably sized sleeve and a mallet to lightly tap the bearing from the bore. Remove the hardware securing the head assembly to the housing. Pull the head from the housing, taking care not to let the idler slide off the idler pin. The idler bushing may be damaged during removal. Do not remove the idler bushing unless replacement is required. Remove and discard the O-rings and gasket if equipped. Use caution when removing the head to prevent the idler from falling off the idler pin. It could be damaged if dropped onto a hard surface. Also, use caution when handling the idler. It has sharp edges. Remove the idler from the head assembly. Inspect the idler bushing for excessive wear or scoring. If replacement is required, use a press to remove the bushing from the idler. To remove the idler pin, lay the head assembly on a press with the idler pin facing down and press the pin out of the head. The pump used for this demonstration is equipped with a packing seal. Other seal designs are addressed under the Seal Removal and Installation menu. Packing seals may be removed without complete disassembly of the pump. Other seal designs may require complete pump disassembly. Loosen the gland lock nuts and remove the gland retainers and split gland halves. Use a packing removal tool or a stiff wire with a hooked end to remove the packing rings and lantern ring from the seat sleeve. Make sure all of the old packing is removed before installing the new packing. With the seal removed, simply slide the rotor and shaft assembly out of the housing. Due to close machine tolerances and assembly practices, the rotor and shaft is available only as an assembly. Further disassembly is not required. To remove the foot bracket, disengage the hardware securing the foot bracket to the head and the back head. Remove the screws securing the back head to the housing and separate the assemblies. Remove and discard the gasket and/or O-ring if equipped. The shaft bushing may be damaged during removal. Do not remove the shaft bushing unless replacement is required. Due to tight tolerances, the shaft bushing sleeve must be removed from the backhead in order to replace the shaft bushing. If your pump is equipped with a shaft bushing sleeve, use a press and a suitably sized dowel to press the shaft bushing sleeve from the backhead. Press the shaft bushing out of the shaft bushing sleeve. Clean and inspect the pump part with a cloth soaked in fresh cleaning solvent. Most cleaning solvents are toxic and flammable. Use them only in a well-ventilated area free from flame, sparks, and excessive heat. Read and follow all precautions printed on solvent containers.
For more information on pump hydraulics, equipment, or application engineering, watch Gorman-Rupp's YouTube channel and visit us at grpumps.com.